Alright, welcome to CryptoReality. Sorry for my past video, has no sound. Now I'm gonna repeating my post here. Please be advised that I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not trying to hype or create a fear in here. This is just my readings on the charts. Okay, please always do your own research. Plan your trades always, always. So okay, just like I've said in my past video, right? We dump in here near this 88,000 level, and I am right because of these channels right here that we have right now. So the question is, are we going to go up or down? Because eventually this is what I am saying, that maybe we could bounce here to the upside, right? Okay, look at this one. It could go up like that before a further drop, or it could be possibly as high as 104,000, like this one, right here. We could possibly go all the way up right here before it goes to the bear market. That's just the idea here. But looking forward to this is you want a time frame. Let's go on the daily time frame here. Okay, everyone is calling this as the bear flag, and I'm not that sure about it, because looking at the past, look what happened in here. This one looks like a bear flag also, right? But look what happened. It goes up and it goes like 176%. Okay, 176%. So if we're going to do that the same to this level, okay, this is not a hype or telling you to buy something here. This is just a hope that will happen. Look, where is the 176? Here we are expecting some 240,000 for Bitcoin to 230,000 for Bitcoin. If this goes right, and it will do the same, yeah, it will. We're going to neglect the EMAs right here, because look at your RSI in here. We are here right now, okay? But also we have still this bear flag here in your 2022 drop, right? Look at this bear flag here, right? It will align on your EMAs, but look at the RSI here. It's not that the same, right? Maybe it's just like there. So, and it goes up like to your 6970 on your RSI. Also this one, we go on 70 to your RSI here before some further parabolic run. So right now we are just below the 50, right? We are below the 50. So if we're gonna do the same, that we're going to go up to your 70, at least your 70 RSI level, then I'm expecting that Bitcoin will go to this 104,000 level area, okay, which will align in your weekly time frame to reach this 20 EMA and retest this 20 EMA right here. Okay, so that's just it for Bitcoin. Okay, now let's go on to your XRP chart right here, and as you can see here, a beautiful nice bounce to this 1.95 level area of support. 1.95 area is your strong support level. The next one could be 1.89. okay, so I'm right at that this time. So I was just thinking that maybe we could bounce off the upside, but we have strong resistance right here at your 2.04 area. So I was just thinking that maybe after this drop, I'm gonna create this one and then bounce to the upside. And if we break this, then we continue to go higher. Or not, then we're gonna consolidate like this one. Until when, I don't know. Everyone is expecting Japan will raise an interest rate hike, right? So this is my psychology, this is my own opinion. If everyone thinks that it will happen, maybe it won't happen, because that's just the psychology of the market. Okay. And honestly, I was just thinking that maybe we're going to hold this line. Okay, maybe we're gonna hold this line for XRP and maybe a bounce off to the upside, because look at your weekly time frame. But I'm not saying that we're gonna create a new all-time high, right? Because the EMAs are not aligning with it, and also your MACD printed the monthly that cross. Okay, so maybe I was just thinking that if the Japan interest rate increase is real, then expect this 1.4 level before the bounce off to the upside. It may be a flash crash, or maybe the crash that will hurt everyone. Okay, just like it did in the past right here. Okay, but I've already predicted this before many times, that I'm telling you that we're going to go down to this 1.4 level area. It is based on the EMAs right here. Okay, but looking back to your monthly time frame in your XRP, I haven't mentioned this in my past video. Okay, look where we are right now. We're still holding this 20 EMA in your monthly time frame. Okay, unlike this one, unlike the others, that we break this. Okay, look at this. We have 3 candles, and the next one is a green candle right here. This one is a 3 red candles in your monthly. The next one is a green candle, right? So now we have 3 red candles in your monthly printing. And I know that this candle will close the red, right? I don't know if where it will drop. Maybe at this 1.72 level, or even 1.4 level. And then we have a green candle that maybe will reach this 2.4 level area right here. Maybe on January. I don't know. Something like that before we continue to go down to your bear market territory. But right now I was just thinking that maybe we could see some pump after this nice bounce to the upside. Okay? Because look at your US, looking back to your US dollar dominance here. Okay? Looks like, I don't know if it's strong or not. Maybe we could see some bounce to the downside here, and bounce to the upside with the support trend line here. Okay, and as you can see that this is gonna be your daily time frame here. Look at this. After this drop, maybe we could come back up right here before a dump to this level, before a bounce off, because it did it in the past, right? Already did in the past, like this one. You seen this one, this pattern right here before the blast off. Yeah, that's what just I'm thinking here. Not in a good mood, sorry. Your weekly time frame, let's see your weekly time frame in here. Okay, maybe we could drop and retest this 20 EMA right here. But before that, maybe we could still have some pumps in here, or even higher, and create some, bearish divergence here before some drop and retest this 20 EMA here before the blast off to the upside. Okay, that's just the idea in your US dollar dominance, and if it happens, then the idea of XRP hitting these levels, first of course is 1.72 level, will be at play. Okay, If that happens in your US dollar dominance, maybe we could drop here, retesting this 1.72 level area, and then bounce to the upside. Maybe not hitting this 1.4, maybe 1.72 will do. But let's see what happens. Okay, let's see what happens there. And for Bitcoin, let me see the daily time frame here for Bitcoin. Maybe we could see some potential drop in here before a nice bounce to the upside. Okay, maybe this is just the idea here. And then that's gonna talk about that when the thing happens. So please, if you learned something here, do me a favor, give me a like, subscribe to this channel for more updates. Don't listen to me, don't listen to other people. It's your own money, it's your own risk. Okay, plan your trades carefully, do your own research. Don't put all your money that you can afford to lose. Okay, stay healthy, stay strong, bye bye.